So in this video, I'm gonna make a spring ladder using some paint stir sticks. Keep watching and I'll show you how it turns out. These are the buckets that I'm using for my ladder, and they're just little planters from Dollar General, and as you can see, they are only $1 each. So for these little narrow pieces on the ends, I did take and cut them off with my handsaw. I left them on for the bottom, but these are just the two pieces that make the legs of my ladder. So this is how I started my ladder. This is how I placed the 4 paint stir sticks. And like I said, I cut those 2 little tips off at the top and I left the ones on at the bottom. So right here you can see where I've attached each paint stir stick. So it's 2 and 2, and right there where the line is where they are like attached. The back side of that is where I put those little extra pieces of scrap wood, and that's just to kind of secure everything. So for the steps of my ladder, it is again just paint stir sticks. I used my handsaw, cut them to the size I wanted. I pretty much just cut one piece of wood and then used that as my guide for the rest of the wood. The 2 lines you see there on each side where I hot glued my 2 paint stir sticks together for the legs, that's gonna all be hidden. You won't even see it because I'm gonna wrap some garland around there.